Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have the right sources and permissions. First, connect your ATS, payroll, and performance datasets so fields align. This avoids late mapping work. Once connected, define the KPIs you'll track: time to fill, offer acceptance percent, cost per hire, and a quality of hire proxy, and document them. Next, secure API keys or exports and create a dedicated storage folder. Make sure to timestamp imports. That preserves trend integrity and lets you reproduce results quickly. Now you transform and enrich the data to make it actionable. Start by normalizing job codes, department names, date formats, and currency. Consistency enables accurate joins. Then enrich records with row-level benchmarks and location cost multipliers so comparisons are meaningful. Once enriched, run cohort and funnel analyses to reveal drop-off points and apply simple regressions to surface predictors of successful hires. As you iterate, document transformation rules so colleagues can reproduce the pipeline and validate your analytic assumptions. Finish by packaging insights into clear deliverables and a repeatable workflow. Build 3 views: an executive summary of KPIs, an operational dashboard for recruiters, and a candidate funnel with interactive filters. Then write one-page recommendations with concrete next steps and expected impact estimates. If numbers look off, troubleshoot systematically. Validate anomalous metrics against raw exports, recheck joins and date alignments, and backtest results using historical snapshots. If issues persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.